Okay. Do it. Let them join. You please do it. Now we'll solve one sum. Suppose I will give you 5 kilometers. Examples. I will give you 5 kilometers, which is equals to how many meters? Ra? Please solve it. 5 kilometers is equals to dash meters. Solve it and tell me. So which relation will use? Kilometers. See, kilometers to meters. We are using first relation. All of you should remember, when we are converting kilometers to meters, I have to use this first relation. Meters to kilometer, I have to use second relation. This is what we used to call as unit conversion. What we should call? Unit conversion. Do you understand, Ra? Yes or no? Yeah, that is what. Now, let us go with that. So tell me, how 5 kilometers how I can write, Ra? Naren, Lohit, tell me, 5 kilometers how I can write? 5 kilometers. Can I write like this? 5 into 1 kilometer. Is it right or wrong? 5 kilometers equals to 5 into 1 kilometer. Can I write it or not, Pranav?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Sir.
So 5 kilometers I can write 5 into 1 kilometer. So 5 is a number. So as we know that 1 kilometer equals to how many meters? 1 kilometer equals to
1000 meters, sir.
meters. That's all. So in place of kilometer, I can substitute it. Again, should not write kilometer. Only in place of we should write it. So 5 into 1000 meters, which is equals to what? 5 into 1000. 5000 meters, which is equals to 5 kilometers. All of you, do you understand? 5 kilometers is equals to 5000 meters. Any doubt? Ask me. Pranav? Clear?
No, sir.
Yeah. Next, second one. Let us discuss. 500 meters is equals to dash kilometers. Please check it. Now, meters to kilometer. Which relation we have to use, Sanat? Second relation. Correct or not? Second relation. Do you understand, Ra? So now, 500 meters how I can write? Tell me. 500 meters how I can write? 500 meters I can write it as 500 into 1 meter. So now as we know that 1 meter equals how many kilometers, Loge? 1 meter equals to
1000.
1000
kilometers.
1000 not Ra? 1 by 1000.
1000 kilometers.
1 by 1000, 1 by 1000, not 1000, 1 by 1000. So second relation I have to use. So 500 into, in place of meter, what I can write, Ra? In place of meter, which is equals to what? 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000 kilometers. Now you see, as you know mathematics, understanding. So 500 divided by 1000. Please do the division, all of you. 500 divided by 1000. 1 by 2 means 500 ones are 500 twos are. Understand? Or else you can get to do that. So 1 by 2 kilometers, which is equals to how much, Ra? 500 meters. 500 meters is equals to how much, Ra? 1 by 2 kilometer. So 1 by 2 means how much, Ra, Naren? Half kilometer. Correct or not? Santosh? Yes or no?
Yes,
1 by 2 means half kilometer. That is
Now only comes, sir.
1 by 2 meters. That is what you should remember. Okay, Santosh. So when we are converting meters into kilometers, we have to use this relation. When we are converting kilometers to meter, we have to use this relation. Is there any doubt? You please ask me. Any doubt? Anybody ask me. Sana? No doubt. Correct, Pranav, Santosh, solve it. So while you are converting kilometers to meters, just multiply with 1000. Meters to kilometers, 1 by 1000 you have to do it. Do you understand, Ra? That is one. Now, this is what the first one. So now let us go for second one. I have a meter. Now I will add prefixes centimeter. What I should do? Centimeter. Understand? So then this will become what? Smaller unit of meter. Smaller unit of meter. What we should call? Smaller unit of, sorry, not meter. Smaller unit of length is called as, understanding, centimeter. What we should call, Ra? Centimeter. cm. Centimeter. Do you understand, right? Now, yes or no? Meter equals to, if I'll add prefix as a centi, then this is equals to centimeter, which we should represent with a cm. Now, let us discuss. 1 meter is equals to how many centimeter? Who is bigger, centimeter or meter? Who is centimeter or meter? Meter. Correct or not? Now, if you have a scale, you can check it. Our scale length is how much, Ra? Our scale length is how much?
30 meters.
30 centimeter, not meters. How much? 30? 30 centimeter. Is it yes or no? Santosh, our scale is having 30 centimeter. Like that, if you will add 100 centimeters, understand? 100 centimeters, then that length is called as 1 meter. Do you understand, Ra? Understand, right? Sanat? So how many? 1 meter equals to how many centimeters we have to add? 1 meter equals to, we have to add 100 centimeters.
100 centimeters.
So if we'll add 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters, then that is equals to what? 1 meter. What I should say? 1 meter. Do you understand? Ra? Now suppose, example, I will give you 2 meters, which is equals to how many centimeters? Please tell me. 2 meters. 200 centimeters means 2 meters how I can write, Ra? Sanat, 2 meters how I can write? 2 meters is equals to 2 into 1 meter. Is it yes or no? Yes or no? So now we know that 1 meter equals how much, Ra? 100 centimeter. So that's all. So 2 into 100 centimeter, which is equals to what? 200 centimeter. Do you understand? Yes or no? Next, reverse you see. So as we know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So now 100 centimeters, how I can write, Ra? Sanat, Lohit, how I can write? Tell me. 100 centimeters. How I can write? 100 into 1 centimeter. Correct or not? Now, 100 is multiplication here. 100 is multiplication here. Will come this side? Will come this side? Division. So, 1 by 100 meters is equals to how many centimeters? 1 centimeter. So, I can say 1 centimeter is the 1 by 100th of meter. Correct or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? So, 1 centimeter. Centi means what? 1 by 100. 100 or 1 by 100th of meter. Correct or not? So, I can write centi. What is the meaning of centi? Centi means 1 by 100 of meter. Means 1 meter, if you make it into 100 equal parts, then 1 part is equals to 1 centimeter. Correct or not? Yes or no? So, I am having a 1 meter scale. Then if I equally divide it into 100 pieces, then each piece is equals to 1 centimeter. Do you understand, Narayan, Sanat? That is. So please note it down. Note it down. Now suppose I have given you 500 centimeters. How many meters, Ra? Narayan, log it. I have given you example. I have given 500 centimeter, which is equals to dash meters. So how I can write? Wrong. So 500 meters. Yeah, 500 meters. Very good. Very good. 500 centimeters. I can write as a 500 into 1 centimeter. Correct or not, Narayan? Yes or no? So we know that 1 centimeter equals how many meters? 1 by 100 meters. So 500 into 1 by 100 meters. So which is equals to what? 500 divided by 100. So how much? 100 ones are 100 fives are. Which is equals to how much? Very good, Narayan. Which is equals to how much? 5 meters. 500 centimeters is equals to 500 centimeters is equals to how much, Ra?
5 meters.
5 meters. Do you understand, Logan? Sanat?
Yes, sir.
That is like that. Last one. If I want more smaller, suppose like see, like virus, coronavirus, like bacteria and all, they are very, 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 very small. But that much smaller I won't teach. Just like normally I will go. Understand? So that is what we can say. Next one is, third one is called as milli. What we should call? Milli. So meter, if I add prefix, meter, milli as a prefix for them, then that is called as millimeter. What we should call? Millimeter. Do you understand, Ra? Yes or no? So millimeter we should represent with a mm. What is the symbol of millimeter? mm. Understand, Ra? Understand? Now, observe, all of you, observe this scale. This scale length is how much, Ra? This scale length is how much?
30 centimeter.
Centimeter. Like that, if you want to make it 1 meter, how many centimeters we have to add? How many centimeters we have to add? How many centimeters we have to add? Just now we have studied 100 centimeters. Correct? Yes, 100 centimeters if you add, it will give you 1 meter. Now we want millimeter. Now observe very carefully. 0 to 1 or 1 to 2 or 2 to 3 centimeter. Middle, how many lines are there? Count it and tell me. How many lines are there? Each one. 5 to 6 or 6 to 7, 7 to 8. Anywhere you take, how many lines are there? 10 lines are there. Correct or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? Like that, 30 centimeters means how many lines are there? Each centimeter 10 lines. 30 centimeters means 30 into 10, 300 lines. Like that, 100 centimeters, how many lines? 100 into 10, how many?
1000 lines.
1000 lines. So that is what I want. So I can say 1 meter is equals to how many millimeters, Ra? 1 meter is equals to how many millimeters? 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeters. 1000 millimeters. Understand, Sanat? Narayan? Okay. So I can write equals to 1000 millimeter. So from this you tell me, from that 1 millimeter equals how much, Ra? 1 meter is equals to, I can write as a 1000 into 1 millimeter. So now 1000 is in multiplication. Will come this side, what will become? What will become? Division. So I can say 1 by 1000 meters, which is equal to what? 1 millimeter. So means in the sense of, I can say 1 millimeter is a what of what, you know, how much, Ra? In 1 meter. 1 by 1000 of meter is equals to 1 millimeter. Correct or not? Yes or no? Means in the sense of, what does it mean, Narayan? Can you able to say, Sanat, anybody? Means if I'll make the meter into how many parts? How many parts, Ra? How many parts?
1000 parts.
So if I'll cut the meter into 1000 parts, then equal parts, then one part is equals to 1 millimeter. That is the meaning of it. Correct or not, Lohit? Pranav?
Yes, sir.
Note it down. So from this I can say 1 millimeter, understanding 1 by 1000 of, understanding meter is equal to 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter. So from this I can say 1 mm is equals to what, Ra? 1 milli equals to what? 1 by 1000 meters. 1 by 1000 of meter. Of you can keep. That is milli means. Milli means 1 by 1000 of meter. That is what. So relations will become what? 1 meter is equals to, understanding, 1000 millimeters. Next one. 1 millimeter equals to 1 by 1000 meters. Now, for example, I will say you example, you see. Example you solve. I will say you 2 meters, which is equals to how many meters, Ra? How many millimeters, Ra? Solve it. 2 meters.
2000 millimeters.
How to cut meters, Ra? Suppose you see, how to cut meter means, this is a 1 meter cloth, you imagine. Then I will cut the meter cloth into equal parts, 1000 equal parts. Then each equal part is equals to 1 millimeter. Understand, right? That is one. Okay? Understand, right? Yes. Now 2 meters means how many millimeters? I can write as 2 meters is written as 2 into how, Ra? 2 into 1 meter. So we know 1 meter is equals to how much, Ra? 1000 millimeters. So that is what? So 2 into, substitute it here. How much it will become? 1000 millimeters. So 2 into 1000, how much, Ra? 2 into 1000, how much? 2000 millimeters. That's all. So 2 meters is equals to 2000 millimeters. Any doubt? Anybody please ask. Clear? Now, example 2. I have given you 1000 millimeters or else 2000 millimeters, which is equals to dash meters. Please find it fastly. 2000 millimeters equal to dash meters. So how I can write this one as written as 2000 millimeters is equals to 2000 into 1 millimeter. So what we know, Narayan? Sanath, please tell me. 1 millimeter equals how many meters? Log in.
1/1000 meters.
So 2000 meters means 2 into 2000 into 1 by 1000 meters. So 1000 which is equal to what? 2000 divided by 1000 which is equal to how much Which is equal to how much? 1000 ones are 1000 twos are which is equals to how much 2000 millimeters is equals to how much? How much? 2 meters. Do you understanding all of you? So now last we'll conclude finally all the relations. Understand? Will conclude all the relations. Please all of you write it. So bigger unit is kilometer, smaller unit is millimeter and kilometer. Now first start writing with a smaller unit to bigger unit. So you tell me 1 centimeter equals to how many millimeters? 10 millimeters. Do you understand? 10 millimeters. From that I can say 1 millimeter is equals to 1 by 10 centimeter. Please note it down. 1 by 10? 1 by 10?
Centimeter.
That is what you want. Understand? So 1 by 10 centimeter. This is what relation. Next. 1 meter is equals to how many centimeters? You have to speak. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter equals to 1 by 100 meters. Please note it down. Next, same way. 1 meter is equals to how many millimeters? 1000 millimeters. Understanding? Now from that, 1 millimeters is equals to 1 by 1000 meters. Same way, we can come to know 1 kilometer equals how many meters? 1000 meters. So from that I can say 1 meter is equals to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Please all of you note these relations. Very, very important. Do you understand, Sanath, I will ask you tomorrow again. I will ask you how to say it. Okay? All of you note it down. Santosh, Pranav. Do you understand, Pranav? This is what. Please note it down. Okay. This is all the relations you have to learn. This is what we can say. Understand? So prefixes used with the SI unit. So if somebody will ask you what kind of prefixes we can use and what is the relationship between them, you have to solve these questions. Is it okay, Now I will give you 2 homework sums. Please all of you note down the 2 sums and you can solve it and send me. Okay, right? The height of a person is homework. Homework. The height of a person is is 1.65 meters. How much? 1.65 meters. Understand? 1.65 meters. Understand? 1.65 meters. Then find in centimeters and millimeters. Is it okay, Will you do it or not? Narayan, Sanath? Yes or no? Same way. Second question. The distance between Santosh and Sanath home is between we can write like this shortcut. Santosh and Sanath is 3,250 meters. 3,250 meters. Find in kilometers. These are the 2 homework sums. So we have to solve it and you have to send it. Okay, Santosh, Pranav, that's all. So this is all about the today's class. So tomorrow we'll meet. So please solve the homework and then send me. Thank you all. Bye.